Next, take the Challenge CheckUp. This is a set of questions which assesses your overall numeracy level at this moment in time. It's likely to take around 20 to 40 minutes to complete, depending on the questions that the system chooses for you. It's not a test. It's purely to assess your overall level at this moment in time and point towards which learning resources will be of most benefit to you. The questions are different for each person, as the CheckUp chooses questions based on previous answers. If you're answering correctly, you'll be given harder questions. If you answer wrongly, you'll be given easier questions. When you've answered a question, click the forward arrow here to move on to the next one. If you don't know the answer, then click the Don't Know button here. You can also move back by pressing the backward arrow here if you want to go back and change an answer. Where needed, there's a calculator here and a notepad here. You can change the size of the text here. And if it's helpful to hear an audio version of the questions, then click here. If you can't complete the CheckUp in one go, don't worry. Just close the window and your progress will be saved so that you'll return to the same point when you log back in later.
When you finish the CheckUp, you'll see your results screen. This shows the overall level you worked at, as well as a score out of 100. We don't show you which questions you got right or wrong, because we want you to come back and take the CheckUp again later, after you've done some learning. We use 4 levels in the challenge: Gold, which is the everyday maths equivalent of a C or above at GCSE, Silver, which is equivalent to a lower pass at GCSE, and Bronze and Entry, which are below these levels. If you're already working at Gold, then you can leave the challenge at this point, but please fill out our online survey first and consider helping others by becoming a challenge champion.
If you didn't get Gold first time in the CheckUp, then you're given a target level to work towards, Silver in this case. You have a choice of how you'd like to learn, online with us or elsewhere. If you'd like to learn elsewhere, click this button to find tips for finding local colleges and tutors. If you choose to learn online with us, click here. The screen shows the 5 areas of everyday maths based on our essentials of numeracy. It advises which of the 5 areas you need to improve on in order to reach your target. In this case, we already worked at Silver in 2 of the areas, so we are going to focus on the other 3.
You'll then be introduced to the Your Progress page. This is your dashboard, the screen you'll work from while visiting different topics and whenever you log back into the challenge online. Your Progress shows the target and the areas of numeracy you need to work on. You can also print out your certificate here to show the level you worked at in the CheckUp.